Welcome. Today, we're diving into a quick and easy guide on how to show notifications on Google Chrome. Notifications can keep you updated with important alerts from your favorite websites, so let's get started. First, open your Chrome browser. You can do this by clicking on the Chrome icon on your desktop or taskbar. Once it's up and running, you'll see the familiar interface that many of us use daily. Next, look to the top right corner of your browser window. Here you'll find 3 vertical dots stacked on top of each other. This is known as the menu icon. Go ahead and click on these 3 dots to reveal a drop-down menu. From this menu, select Settings. This will take you to a new page where you can customize various aspects of your Chrome experience. Now, in the left sidebar, you'll see several options. Click on Privacy and Security. This section is crucial because it contains settings that help manage your data and notifications effectively. After that, scroll down until you find Site Settings. Click on it to access more specific controls related to how websites interact with your browser. Once you're in Site Settings, look for the Notifications option within the Permissions section. This is where the magic happens. Click on Notifications and you'll see a few options regarding how Chrome handles notifications from websites. To enable notifications, make sure to toggle on the option that says, Sites can ask to send notifications. This setting allows websites to prompt you for permission before sending notifications. If you want to receive notifications from sites without being asked every time, you can adjust this setting accordingly. Finally, ensure that the Show Notifications option is enabled. This will allow alerts from websites to pop up on your screen whenever they have something important to share with you. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, opening Chrome, navigating through the menu to Settings, then Privacy and Security, and finally adjusting your notifications, you can easily manage how you receive updates from your favorite sites. Enjoy staying connected with all the latest news and updates right at your fingertips.